What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this AI ad.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over, but accident injuries are. If you have a real injury and it hurts too much, call me at 301 5 million. Again, that's 301 500 0000.
Let's begin.
All right, welcome everybody to the AI Video Gym. Today we're gonna get some reps in. We're making a comedy AI ad for a attorney, and we're gonna show you step by step how to do it in Google Flow. So rock and roll, watch and learn. All right, this is called Hangnail, like he wrote the script. So Eve tries to peel off her toenail. She says, "Ouch!" So we need to get that scene. So sometimes I can get away with it and just copy this little script here and go paste. And then I kind of already had a, where it is? Images, where is she? I kind of already had her semi all media. Where was she, dude? Thought we had one over there. There it is right there. So I'll download this one. This is a good reference one. So, oops, let me download that again. This is very, very similar of what we want. Okay, Paul, comedy ads, toenail. Footage. Okay, so I'm gonna pop that there. All right, this is a good reference one. We can actually start with this as a good reference. So toenail. She looks at the toe, and he comes in, right? So it's kind of like, so that's a good start. So we'll have that. And a reference image up there. So I'm just screenshotting this. And what I could do is I can actually go back to this one because this one's pretty good. So say, I'm going to upload, actually, I'm going to upload. Hit this button, plus sign, upload. Go here. Give me those 3 ones right there. Okay. So we have these reference photos here. So I'm going to pop these here. I'm going to go back and copy the script here. All right. The woman Eve. So I'll say the woman Eve tries to peel off her toenail. I'll put close up shot. She says, "Ouch." Close up shot of her saying, "Ouch." Her husband, Adam, walks in and says, "What's wrong, Eve?" You know, wide shot of Eve talking to Adam. Adam laughs and hands her toenail clippers. Eve, irritated. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. So now, so what I like to do is I like to just hit the go. We'll do 10 seconds. But I also like to have the agent work on this to spruce it up. And we sometimes get kind of lucky here, but you'll see how we kind of like, we have to chop at this one by one. So I'll expand it. You can kind of see what it's working on the side here. We'll title this one, or you can, title this different things. So I'll kind of wait and give it a second here. Oh man, I'm out of Celsius. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Bam, 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 bam. Would you like me to make any adjustments to these seam, or should I proceed? Proceed. I usually don't like, between you and me, I usually just have it do its thing, and then I look later. Here it is.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny, Adam?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Getting close. All right, so we want her to say, like more dramatic. So it's close though. So right now I hit redo, but it's right now the AI is making this scene with the agent. So I don't like to mess around with it. If you expand it, you can see it's making that. So I'll exit out of this and we'll wait. So it says, please a different prompt during my violent content. So it does that sometimes. And I'll just go ahead and hit redo and try it one more time. Okay. Sometimes I just redo it and it works. Okay. There we go. All right, looks like it made a storyboard. So let's expand it. It says, please go ahead and generate it. So it kind of did it on its own. It does the storyboard a lot. If I scroll down, you can see the storyboard. Sometimes it does this like what it did in the past. So that's what's pretty cool, is when you can storyboard it out. Please make the videos. Honestly, I'm like half and half with the agent feature. Like it does pretty good, but then sometimes it doesn't do good. So I'm going to generate 10 seconds card. Now it's starting to rock and roll. All right, so I'll X out of this, and this is initiating video generation. So, I mean, I'll, yeah, I'm going to let it do its thing. And then we're going to go over here.
Ouch!
I kind of want to see the toenail more. Here we go. So I'll go back. The woman Eve tries to peel off her toenail. Close-up shot. She yells in pain. Ouch. What a... Oh, shoot. So I accidentally hit enter. There we go.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
I think that I am dying.
Well, then you might need this. It's just a hangnail.
So I totally fucked it up. So I'll go back to here. I'll unclick the agent one. And the woman Eve tries to peel off her toenail, or peel off her toenail. Close-up shot of the toenail being slowly peeled off. You could say hangnail. Hangnail. We'll try hangnail and see what happens, because technically it is a hangnail. But sometimes, you know, we can get away with not showing it. Like, less is more.
What is wrong with you?
So this one's over. Yeah.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny, Adam?
All right, so I'll go back. Here we go.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny, Adam?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Now we're getting somewhere. All right, so I'll download that. I like that a lot. Way better than the first one. So we'll go ahead and pop this. Kind of like a toe.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny, Adam?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Ouch!
Let's have her even more in pain. So the woman tries to peel off her toenail. Close up the shot of the hangnail of the nail of the toenail being slowly peeled off. The woman screams in pain. Her husband walks in and says, "What's wrong, Eve? Wide shot or have you told him I'm about to lose my toe, Adam?" Close-up shot of the toenail clippers. Let's do close-up. And then she says, "You think this is funny? It's just a hangnail, Eve." Cool. Now I'll go 4 generations. And all right, I'm back. What we got here?
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
That's really good, dude. I love that one, dude. I love that so much. Let's go ahead. Pop this one. Really gruesome.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Bam! I love it. We'll watch the other ones.
Ouch!
Don't like that one.
Ouch!
Don't like that one.
Ouch!
Yeah, that one's the best. So, all right. So what we do now is, we go to. He's got this call to action. Where the last one we did was. It was hair tie. Where's hair tie? Hair tie. Hair tie. Hair tie. The fuck is hair tie? Hair snap, that's what it was called. All right, so hair snap. Yeah, so we got this universal ending, doesn't hurt too much. Okay, so we got here, and then we gotta go render here. Hair tie. Coffee shop. Eyelash, maybe. Mosquito.
Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over, but accident injuries are. If you
Yeah. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna go to toenail. Paste that there.
You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over, but accident injuries are. Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over, but accident injuries are. If you have a real injury and it hurts too much, call me at 301-5-million. Again, that's 301-500-0000.
All right, love it. Let's go ahead and render this out. Let's watch it one more time.
Ouch!
We might just increase the volume a little bit. By like,
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny?
I love how he even gave the snap. Like, bam.
You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over.
Cool. So let's go ahead and render this out. Let's go. Okay. Hangnail. Okay. Well, it's called toenail. Whatever. Cool. And then we'll watch it. Sometimes the AI renders it weird. Whatever. So let's go ahead and watch the final product here.
Ouch!
What's wrong, Eve?
I'm about to lose my toe, Adam. You think this is funny?
It's just a hangnail, Eve.
Hey, some problems aren't worth stressing over, but accident injuries are. If you have a real injury and it hurts too much, call me at 301-5-million. Again, that's 301-500-0000.
And this is him in Google Flow. This is the actual attorney. We cloned him in his voice, so it's awesome. Cool. All right, guys, that wraps up. Subscribe for more AI video gym tutorials.